Hey y'all, it's Cheryl, and thanks for joining me for another scrapbooking process video. I'll be scrapping this layout digitally in Photoshop Elements 11, and I'll be scrapping with some photos of my daughter on her last day of high school. And her dad left her a note on her mirror in her bathroom to make sure she took a picture of her last day outfit, so of course we had to go outside and make sure that we took it. I'm gonna make sure, I'd like for this picture here, the full body to be the biggest one, so the rest of these I'm going to decrease in size. And then these three verticals, I think I'm gonna have on this side. And these are so similar. I'm going to delete one. Make this pretty small. And I want to have it be in this bottom corner. I'll build a little cluster for that. Okay. And I'll be using a kit by Little Butterfly Wings called Free as a Bird. And I'm just going to start building my layout. I'm not sure what background I want to use, so I'm just going to pop some in here. I like that first one. I like how the background color really goes with the brick. And I'm going to use a couple of pieces of word art here. Word strips. Fly high. Follow your heart. Tomorrow. I think I want this to be my title. Free as a bird. And shake that tomorrow out. Add these hearts underneath. I'm going to add this circle element in between, this flare, in between these two, I think. Actually, I'm going to start building up down here. Really didn't like the way that looked. So I'm going to pull everything back down. May change my mind again. You never know. Use this to ground my cluster there. And here's a bigger heart. I'm going to pull up here. Okay, I'm going to pull that up to the top. And I like these banners. I'll have them up at the top here. Add a button or two. I'll add some pieces of ephemera just for layering. That one down there. Okay. Getting up that project bin a little bit. Okay, I like this color moving down across this way. Now I'll bring a little bit of this purple here and some yellow. Decrease that in size just a bit. Oh, I don't like the color of that flare there. I do like this one because it's like, you know, she's pressing play, she's moving on. Decrease that just a bit. Add some more paper here. I'm just going to have that stick out from underneath the photos. Decrease the size of that just a tad. Right. All right, and that's going to be it. And I'm going to journal down here in this area about the note and what was included. I thank you for joining me, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy scrapping.